Alright, for anybody that's gonna install this on their jet ski, especially if it's like a Superjet or WaveBlaster or Wave Raider, I mean any of the older, later model skis, all you're really gonna need is dikes for the zip ties, 10 mil and a 12 mil socket wrench, small screwdriver because of the rev limiter, and the 8 mil for the rev limiter as well, and then a Phillips head. Doesn't have to be a drill like I was using, but a Phillips head. A big Phillips head for the screws on the actual E-box, and then the smaller, I think you can still use the bigger screw, you know, the bigger one like this, not like a small tight one on the ground screw as well. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need. It's pretty straightforward instructions, and comes with everything you need. I mean, there's that one jumper if it's a later model where you have to put, like, say like you had like a male and a male and they won't go together. It gives you an adapter with 2 females to do that. So comes with everything. Okay, for anybody that is removing their Mitsubishi CDI, putting in the MSD, pretty much this is what I've done. This is a 61X. I've got shaved head, got the coffin pipe on here. Eventually it's going to be obviously totally different. I'm going to try to end up getting a factory pipe put on here and ADA head. It's going to be the 62T in here, but for right now I have got the rev limiter turned all the way in to increase the rev limiter, so I don't think I'm ever going to have an issue with that. Pretty much the only wires you have left that are not connected is going to be this one right here. This is the only one because I have taken my temp sensor out, which is this. So that has the pink wire in it. So that one's not connected. So that's pretty much the only thing you're not gonna have connected. Provided bolts, slap it back together and should be good to go. Pretty awesome. I'm gonna take it out tomorrow and see the difference. So I'll get back and let y'all know what I think about it tomorrow.
Oh, jeez. That was just stupid. It's so funny. Oh well. Let's carry on.